Checking out this truck phone mount from Truckules. This one sounds pretty impressive. Let's open it up out of the box here. This is how it'll arrive. Looks like it's all set up and ready to go. It's got some instructions here on how to use it. This must be the part where the phone goes into. Oh, that's nice. I like it when they do that. You have one button on the back that releases and it opens everything up. So once you squish it to your phone, you push that button. Oh, I see, the longer you push it, the more it relaxes. Very cool. That almost looks like it's long enough for a phone sideways almost. Anyway, you can set your phone in there and reach these on. Nice. Now let's take a look at the arm. So it says, clean, leave no trace on the surface like a pro, ensure that the flat surface is free, peel and maintain power, and keep dust at bay, push. So this has a suction cup here. It says you want to clean everything. You want to peel this off. This has a suction cup with a very sticky type of material that isn't tape. So it's not going to leave any residue behind, but it is going to stick. So you don't want it to get any extra dirt or anything on it. Then it looks like we've got this top part. This is going to latch on. I can feel the suction under there as I clamp that. And then we've got this arm, which adjusts here. We've got this one, which adjusts here, and then we got this one. So there's 3 articulations in this, and it can go all over the place. It's going to go to this ball up here, and that ball is going to connect to the phone part. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy to connect everything. And when you end up with is a really strong, articulated arm. So I imagine I could probably take this almost from the windshield if I needed to, or from an instrument cluster, or from even almost the floor on some vehicles. Really looking forward to using this one in our vehicle. I want to thank Truckules for sending us this one to check out. I hope this helps.